welcome to DR Nursing Classes. Today is my topic is the jaundice presented at DR Nursing Classes. In this content of this topic, the introduction, definition, types, causes, clinical manufacturing, pathophysiology, diagnostic evaluation, medical management, dietary management, nursing diagnosis. And next one is the introduction. The jaundice can also result from the excessive breakdown of RBC and too much bilirubin is released into bloodstream. They show this picture. This is liver and gallbladder anatomy. Definition: jaundice is a yellow discoloration of the skin, mucous membrane, and whitish of eye caused by increased amount of bilirubin in the blood. Bilirubin level exceed up to 3 times than normal. The normal value 0.3 to 1.2 mg per dl. Types, causes. There are 3 types of jaundice. First is a hemolytic jaundice, prehepatic. It is due to the breakdown of RBC that leads to increased unconjugated bilirubin level in the blood. But liver function are normal. Causes: the blood transfusion reaction, then hemolytic anemia, gallbladder stone. Next type is the hepatocellular jaundice, the intrahepatic. It is due to the dysfunctioning of the liver cells. Then causes: infection, hepatitis virus, drugs or chemical toxicity, excessive alcohol consumption. Then third types of obstructive jaundice, then post-hepatic. It is due to the obstructing of the bile duct that lead to altered secretion of bile. It is of 2 types. The extrahepatic obstruction due to blockage in the bile duct, for example gallstone, then tumor. The B1 is intrahepatic cholestic. It occurs due to blockage or swelling in intrahepatic duct. The next one is the clinical manufacturing. Yellowish skin and scalar, light gray or clay colored. The itchy skin, nausea, lack of appetite, tea colored urine, prothrombin time increases. Then show is eye color. Next one is pathophysiology, due to any chemical toxin and blood transfusion. Then next one is the increase the discretion of RBC. Then next one is the increase the amount of unconjugated bilirubin in blood and hepatocellular and the obstructive causes. Last one is jaundice. Diagnostic evaluation: increased level of serum bilirubin greater than 0.4 mg per 100 ml conjugated. Increase unconjugated serum bilirubin values greater than 0.8 mg per 100 ml. The absence of bilirubin in urine. The reduced fetal urobilinogen because it does not intensive. Then prolonged the prothrombin time. Next one is the medical management. First one is the antihistamine drugs for the itching. For example, leocitrazine 5 mg, Avil 25 mg. Then sedative for the resistance and the irritability, for example lorazepam, diazepam. The third one is the purgative anemia if constipation. Fourth is antibiotic. Fifth is the antipyretic drug. Then vitamin K and B complex. Next one is the dietary management. Advice to patient for the restrict fat intake. Provide high protein diet, high carbohydrate diet. Provide plenty of the fluid juices. Give glucose water. Next one is nursing management. First one is the provide the comfort to the patient. Second is the maintain fluid and the electrolyte balance to patient. Third one is the maintain output input chart. Provide psychological support to the patient. Fifth is the give health education. The next one is the nursing diagnosis. Skin irritability impaired to the purities. Then next one is the risk of the hemorrhage related to disturb prothrombin factor. Then next one is the constipation related to disease, abnormal pain related to disease, anxiety related to disease condition. The altered nutrition less than body requirement related to constipation and abnormal pain and discomfort. The next, thank you so much.